If you're considering buying ShortStack for your business, there are a few things you need to know before you commit. Stick around till the end, because I'll be covering not just its standout features, but also how it stacks up against its competitors, like MailChimp or Typeform, so you can make the right decision. First off, one of the biggest draws of ShortStack is its ability to help you create custom forms and landing pages easily. Unlike platforms like MailChimp, which mainly focus on email marketing, ShortStack goes beyond that by allowing you to create complex forms, quizzes, and contests that can really boost engagement. You can design them exactly how you want, with an intuitive drag-and-drop builder, no coding required. This can save you time, especially if you're managing multiple campaigns and need something that scales with your growing needs. Next thing you'll want to know is its versatility in campaign creation. Whether you're running a simple contact form, a photo contest, or a fully interactive survey, ShortStack gives you the flexibility to make it all happen. Many competitors just don't offer that same level of customization. Take Typeform, for example. While it's sleek and user-friendly, it lacks some of the more advanced features ShortStack offers, like the ability to run giveaways with built-in fraud protection. Now, let's talk about integrations. ShortStack comes with powerful integrations that let you connect with over 100 apps, everything from email marketing services to CRMs like Salesforce. This is essential if you want to keep your marketing workflows smooth and automated. Compared to competitors like JotForm, which offer integrations too, ShortStack gives you more direct options that work seamlessly with your other marketing tools, and their setup is easy to manage. The fourth thing to consider is its pricing structure. While ShortStack isn't the cheapest option out there, its value comes from the level of customization and flexibility it offers. If you're someone who needs a robust platform that adapts to your business as it grows, you might find that the higher tiers are worth it. Compared to Typeform, which charges extra for certain premium features, ShortStack's pricing is more transparent, offering a bit more for your money. Next, let's dive into its analytics and reporting features. When you're running campaigns, data is key. ShortStack gives you detailed analytics, tracking everything from user behavior to conversion rates. These insights help you refine your strategies and improve your ROI. In contrast to MailChimp, which is more email-centric, ShortStack's reporting covers all types of campaigns, whether it's a landing page, survey, or contest, giving you the big picture. The sixth thing you should know is its customer support. ShortStack provides great customer service, with 24/7 email support and a comprehensive knowledge base. If you ever run into an issue or need guidance on a feature, you won't be left in the dark. This is where ShortStack outshines some competitors that have slower response times or less helpful support. Their team really knows the platform and can help you solve issues quickly. And finally, before you make any decisions, it's important to know that you can try out ShortStack for free. By clicking the first link in the description, you'll be able to access a trial that gives you full access to its features. This means you can test the platform without any risk and see for yourself how it fits into your business's workflow. So, if you're ready to start creating custom campaigns that drive results, make sure you click that first link below. Not only will you get the best free trial, but you'll also get some exclusive benefits to help you get the most out of ShortStack.